Major forex pairs are the most traded currency pairs in the world. They all include the US dollar on one side paired with another major global currency. That's important because the US dollar is the world's main reserve currency and it sits at the center of global trade and finance. The main major pairs are Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Dollar yen, Dollar Swiss franc, Aussie dollar, Dollar Canada, and Kiwi dollar. In trading platforms, you'll see them as EUR USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CHF, AUD USD, USD CAD, and NZD USD. They're called majors, not just because of the economies involved, but because they're heavily traded. That means high liquidity, strong participation, and typically tighter spreads compared to smaller currency pairs. Liquidity simply means how easily a market can be bought and sold. And in major pairs, that usually means smoother execution, although spreads can still widen during big news events or volatile conditions. Each pair has its own key drivers. EUR USD is shaped by the European Central Bank, the Federal Reserve, and economic data from both regions. GBP USD reacts to Bank of England policy, UK data, and political developments. USD JPY is driven by interest rate differences and global risk sentiment. And commodity currencies like the Aussie, Canadian, and Kiwi dollars often move with commodity prices and global growth expectations. The key takeaway is this: major forex pairs are the core of the forex market. They're widely followed, heavily analysed, and central to global trading activity. But major doesn't mean safe. These markets can still move fast, especially around central bank decisions, inflation data, and major economic releases. So when traders talk about major pairs, they're really talking about the backbone of the global forex market. Understanding them is a key step in reading how currencies move and how global economies connect.